Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I concluded my USA trip and I had used toll roads in New York and Pennsylvania. While I'm still waiting something to come from Pennsylvania, I got the bill from New York and I'm happy that the amount is very reasonable as you can see here. So certain areas have been removed to protect privacy, but I'm going to show you how you can pay it because I don't have any E-ZPass and I'm an Ontario resident. So it's gonna have your on top you see account number and a toll bill number. These are very important because I did not have any transponder like EZ Pass, so it was tagged to my car. Okay, so you see there are links given here where you can pay. It's like easypassny.com, and there's a QR code also, the QR that also that you can use. But anyway, I went to the website, so it comes like this. So put your license plate number and tap on continue. This is come the next screen. Okay, so first it's gonna show hello, your name, then total amount due, your account number, and make sure it is the same that you see on the bill. Okay, remember in few screens back you saw this. Okay, and your owner information, your name should be there along with your registered address. Okay, so just you have two options: pay total amount due, convert to E-ZPass, and save. So I just tapped on pay your total amount due. One more thing guys, the amount you see here is in US dollar. Okay, so when you pay it, it's gonna show you the current conversion value. Someday it could appear less, someday it could appear more, but it's always good to pay it as early as possible before you forget, because there are penalties too. For example, let me go back here. You see, if you after 30 days if you don't pay, there will be $5 administrative fee and it's going to be USD. And in fact this bill, any currency you see is in USD. Then after 30 days again there will be a violation notice and more, and then it goes to collection. So don't go into that. Okay, because it may impact your license plate renewal here in Ontario too, because the data is shared, and if you have any plan to go back to USA, it's never a good advice to that you miss it. And even if you have no plan to go back to USA, it may impact your license plate renewal here also. So that's why pay it as early as possible, and it's very reasonable compared to 407 that I use here. So I have used only once, but I find it very reasonable. Okay, fine. So next is pay total amount due. Now here it's gonna show you the payment method. You can select any method. Okay, so I selected pay with credit card, and after putting the information going for the payment, it was done. You can print it, and it's advisable you print it. If you have registered your email ID and phone number, you will get the confirmation over that also. So with this, things work fine, and that's it guys. Let me know guys if you find this video helpful or not. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.